Tired of boring, one-dimensional hook-and-loop fasteners? Say hello to custom-printed velcro, where your imagination meets unbeatable performance. Vibrant, intricate patterns, sharp details. Done. Our advanced printing tech delivers crisp, high-definition designs that pop, from logos to gradients to full-color artwork. No more dull surfaces. But we didn't stop at molds. These fasteners are built to last. Strong adhesion, tear-resistant, and washable. They grip tight, release clean, and save colorful use after use. Designers, this is your playground. Create patches, labels, accessories, anything you dream. Make your products truly one of a kind. Durable, detailed, distinctive. Ready to break the mold? Join us and turn everyday fasteners into statement pieces. Your design, thought, our print. Velcro reimagined.